Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working on a Mazda, guys, and if you have a Mazda such as Mazda 2, 3, 5, let's say Mazda 6, CX5, CX3, CX7, guys, and you're trying to test your AC compressor, the clutch for the AC compressor, we'll show you guys what tool we'll be using and how you can test it even without removing it. Okay, this is the scanner that we'll be using, so stay with us. We'll show you how to manually activate it and all that stuff. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know, guys, what you think about the video, if it was helpful and if you have any specific questions. So let's start on it now. So we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7, but this is the same for every Mazda, guys. The scanner that we'll be working works on any car, not just Mazda, so stay with us. I'm going to explain a few quick things about it. Now, let me show you first the makes that it supports. Okay, it's pretty much amazing, guys. This is like a dealer level equipment. You can do so much with that stuff. You can read delete codes from every computer. You can do active tests. You can do programming. So really cool too. What I'll be doing now, guys, okay, I'll just get the key and we're going to put the key in. Okay, the key in, and now we'll show you guys how to test your AC compressor. See if it's working. So right here now I'm going to click VIN. We'll click auto detect, and it's going to take just a little bit of time to read everything, load the program that it needs. Okay, this is the VIN number. Now it's decoding that information. It's going to take just a little bit of time. And it's going to tell us what vehicle we have and everything about the vehicle. Pretty convenient, because you don't have to manually select all that stuff. And the reason it takes a little bit longer, because you can, guys, access every computer with this scanner, every module in your car, and it's communicating now, establishing connection and see what you have, what you don't have installed in your car. This is the programming device that it comes with. Okay, you just connect this thing to your OBD port, your OBD connector, and now we decoded ours. It says CX7 2.3 engine, North American version. We click yes, and now it's going to load the software. Okay, BSM may be fitted, not equipped with advanced keyless entry in our case. Okay, it will be any minute now. And usually, guys, okay, Mazda software, it's almost the same design like using a Ford software. Why? Because most of the things are developed together, especially that 2.3 engine. It's actually a Ford engine. So we're going next to select diagnostics. After that we're going to select control unit, and here under control unit we're going to select, guys, okay, check this thing out. Okay, you have so many, okay, different modules. As you can see, this is PCM, this is for the engine, TCM, transmission control module, this is the airbag system right there. So what do we do now? Okay, you see powertrain control module right here, it says PCM. We can click active test, and it's loading all the test parameters now and gives us the different options. Perfect. Now, air conditioning, compressor, cycling switch, that's what we need right here. We click, okay, here we don't need more information, we just need to test that switch. And with the ignition being on, okay, check it out, ignition being on, I'm going to go outside now, guys. Outside, and let me show you. Okay, usually your AC compressor, okay, your AC compressor is driven by the belt. Okay, and it's that thing down there. And I'm going to click on and off switch. Okay, I can manually turn it on and off. Listen now, on. And if I circulate it, if I click on and off at the same time, you're going to see the clutch engaging. Watch now. So that's, guys, how you can test your clutch and know that the coil is good and all that is good. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.